important result. Now this important result says if you integrate from a to b fx dx, right, there will be an answer lah. And if you integrate the same function from b to a, that means the upper and lower limit terbalik. Okay, you reverse the order. And they say these two integrate from a to b and integrate from b to a, they are actually the same. Tetapi one is a positive value, the other must be a negative value. If one is a negative value, the other must be a positive value. They are the same value, but same absolute value, but one is positive and the other is negative. Understand this? You don't understand, then I'm going to show you example. But do you know what I'm talking about first? You know what I'm talking about? Yes. Okay, yes. Yes, then I show. Right. So now I'm going to show you two definite integral. One is integrate from 1 to 3. The other I'm going to integrate from 3 to 1. Right. Both I'm going to integrate the same function. Same function, only the upper and lower limit, they are reversed. They are reversed. Okay, right. Yes. Okay, so integrate 2x become x squared. Integrate 4 become 4x. On the right hand side, I also have integrate 2x become x squared. Integrate 4 also become 4x. Actually same, right? They are same. Only here the difference is 3, 1, here 1, 3, that's all, right? Then I want to substitute numbers inside. So when I substitute the number 3 inside, I have this orange color. When I substitute the number 1 inside, I have this green color. Okay, like this. So on the other side, on the left hand side, I cannot substitute 3 first. I have to substitute 1 first, right? Substitute 1, I have this thing. Substitute 3, I have another one like this. Right. Now, you notice that these two, they have the same value. They have the same value, just that one with the green in front, orange behind. One, the orange is in front, the green is behind. Okay, right. Then this side I have 21 minus 5. The other side I have 5 minus 21. Funny, huh? So what is the answer? One answer is 16. The other is negative 16. Okay, right. So what can you say about these two definite integral? This side, the left hand side, is actually the same as the right hand side, sorry. The right hand side is actually the same as the left hand side here, except that there is a negative sign in front of me. The two integrals, if you put a negative in front of this one on the right hand side, you will get the same value as the one on the left hand side. Okay, so in general, if two indefinite integral have the same function but with their limits reversed, same function, both of them fx, right? But the upper and lower limit terbalik, then they have the same absolute value, but the sign is opposite of one another. So negative 16 and positive 16 the absolute value is the same. Both the absolute value is 16, right? But you want to look at the actual value is one is 16, one is negative 16 lah. So we say that integrate from a to b fx dx is the same as the negative of integrate from b to a fx dx. Can you remember this? Any question?
Can, teacher.
Can. Now we're going to look at this example here. Right? We look at this example. Given that integrate from 1 to 2 gx dx is 2. Now I want to find integrate from 2 to 1 3 gx dx. Can or cannot? Okay, I show you here, right? Show first one. Okay, this one. Integrate 3 gx dx from 2 to 1.
Can.
What's the answer?
-6.
Correct, very good. Negative 6.
Yeah.
Correct. Okay, why you get negative 6? Because when you see here 2 1 and you make it to 1 2 lah, you change to 1 2. But if you change to 1 2, you must change the sign to negative. Okay or not? This is the formula they give us. They say if you change the upper and lower limit, you must put a negative sign in front. So when I change the upper and lower limit, I must put a negative sign in front. Okay, one step at a time lah. Never mind, slowly, one step at a time. Then second one, according to the one of the results earlier, the 3 can take out right or not? So I'm going to take out the 3. Then after that, when I take out the 3, then this orange color thing here is the same as the given one, which is 2. So I'm going to replace this orange color definite integral with the number 2, like this. Okay, because this whole thing is actually 2. So answer is negative 3 times 2 is negative 6. Okay or not?